Yo, what's happening, guys? Coming at you from downforsoundshop.com, and in this video we're going to be going over what amplifiers will run good on a factory alternator. So we'll jump right into it. It largely depends on what vehicle you have, but since I have a Chevy Tahoe and a Chevy truck, I tend to go off of that. They usually have around 130 to 150, 160 amp alternator, somewhere in there. So with that, and doing like a big 3 upgrade will help a decent amount. It usually gives you like 15 to 20% more out of your factory alternator. You're going to be able to go up to, so I have these two amplifiers in front of me, the Down for Sound JP13 and the JP95T. These obviously come in 9 or 10 different colors, but these are about what I would cap it at to be pretty safe with a factory electrical and adding a big 3. Could you do more? Of course, you can always do more, but it's just going to really put it, like if you go up to the next one, like a JP23 or JP23 version 2, it's really going to put a big strain on your electrical. So if you want to play it really safe, these are two that you could run in a vehicle like that. If you have a smaller vehicle like I don't know, a Nissan Sentra or a Toyota Corolla or something like that, where they have probably, I don't know, 80 amp alternator, half of what a Chevy truck does, then you would want to go with about half the amount of power and still be pretty good. So then I would recommend like a JP3 CPT or a JP8 amplifier. Those two would be fine in a vehicle like that. So again, largely depends on what vehicle you have, what you're starting with, on what amplifier I would recommend going with. And on the bigger side, if you have like a lot of diesel trucks can have dual battery setups and or have dual alternators and dual batteries under the hood. So obviously those could handle a lot bigger amplifier than the prior mentioned two vehicles. With something like that, a big diesel truck, you could do easily a JP23 version 2 or maybe even a JP33 on a vehicle like that, just because the electrical system in those is so robust. But anyway, that's going to conclude this video. Don't forget about the Down for Sound difference guarantee, lowest prices, fastest shipping, and best customer service. If you need anything, hit us up on downforsoundshop.com or give us a call, 702-701-9800. We'll see you in the next one. Later. What's happening, guys? If y'all enjoyed all the hot content that you saw in that video, be sure to follow me on YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram under the Lifer Price, and also Down for Sound Shop on Facebook and Instagram. And don't forget Snapchat. I'm JPD4S on there, so be sure to check me out there. We'll see you in the next one. Later.